Okay, so my keyboard came in the mail today. It was wrapped in the Ducky plastic thing. It's the Ducky 12SF. It's a mechanical keyboard. I got the Cherry MX brown version. Yeah, I think it looks like this. Yeah, it has a cherry. I mean, it has the Ducky design. Yeah, there's not much to it. Just the box looks pretty cool. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, there it is. Okay, so of course there's the keyboard, has a dust cover, and this is the actual keyboard itself. Okay, it's a 65% keyboard, that's why it's an SF with brown switches. I'll put it to the side. In the box there's also, I think it's a user's manual. Yeah, and then in these pockets there are things. Okay, so these are the extra keycaps that Ducky gives for free. They have like cool designs and stuff. Here's the wire, of course. I think it's a USB-C. I don't really know the USB types. But yeah, and then here's the custom year of the rat spacebar that Ducky also gives. It's like backlit and everything. And the free keycap holder that Ducky also gives. So I'll assemble this whole thing and then I'll get a sound test ready. Alright. Oh, look at that.